In your computer keyboard, so first you must open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. If you are in Windows computer, then you can try this method. The first thing is you must type 2023. So the 2023 tab, then you must simply select this 2023. Now you can go to your keyboard and you can simply press the Alt key and S key at the same time. You can see here I press the Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time. I am going to press like this, so you can see that now this symbol have been arrived in your computer, that is we have created. So if you type 2023, the address code is triangular bullet. Hope this video is very interesting. For more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.